Boys and girls, moms and dads, and children of all ages, welcome to Santa's Kitchen. This is Cooking with Santa. Today we're going to make one of my favorite dishes and very easy to make, banana bread. It has 3 bananas, ripe. These are overripe. I did this purposely because I want you to see that these bananas can be used for this recipe. We've got a half a cup of oil, 1/3 of a cup of either buttermilk or sour cream, your choice, half a teaspoon of cornstarch, half a teaspoon of vanilla, 2 eggs, 1½ cups of sugar, 1½ cups of wheat, and 1/2 to 1 cup of walnuts or pecans, whichever you prefer. I'm more partial to pecans. So what we're going to do in the recipe is mix the bananas along with what we would call the wet stuff. That would be the oil, the buttermilk or sour cream, the vanilla, and in this case, in the beginning of the recipe, we will also be adding the baking soda. So, here's our 3 bananas. All right, we're going to add our eggs. The oil, baking soda, and the buttermilk. Let's not forget the vanilla. Now we'll put this in our mixer. Mix it on low until it's nice and blended well. Now this could take up to a few minutes. Now when your bananas aren't as ripe as these, it'll take a little longer to blend. And what we have here is a pouring shield. We'll put that over our bowl, and it allows us to easily pour in our dry ingredients. I'm pouring in the sugar here. And now the flour. The shield is pretty cool. Keeps anything from splashing out at you. Okay, now I have my pan already prepared. I've sprayed it with, this is called Baker's Joy. It's a baking spray with flour already added to it. Saves a little time. So once we're all blended here, we can get our batter. And we'll go ahead and pour it into our pan. And we will bake at 350 degrees for approximately an hour. Your oven may vary, most ovens do. And once it comes out, it'll be pretty awesome. Sprinkle in our walnuts or pecans and just fold it in. And there we go. We'll see what it looks like when it comes out of the oven.